So this demo models the time-dependent centerline temperature of a sphere undergoing a cooling process using the lumped capacitance approach and the full solution to the time-dependent heat diffusion equation. So the top plot shows the centerline temperature as a function of time as calculated with the lumped capacitance approach, the blue line, and calculated with the full solution to the heat diffusion equation, the black line. The bottom plot shows the percent difference between these two solution approaches. We can adjust the BO number using the slider bar, and we can observe the difference between the two solution approaches. Note that the lumped capacitance approach is valid if the BO number is approximately less than 0.1.